Hello guys, are you looking for a realistic business you can start with just 1,000 naira and earn millions in a short period of time? Sound unrealistic, right? Don't worry, just make sure you watch this video to the end to get the full explanation. But before I start, I want you to know something. If you're someone who thinks 1,000 naira will make you panic, or if among all the people you know you cannot find just 3 people who can easily afford 1,000 naira without stress, then this business opportunity is not for you. But if you can, congratulations, because this opportunity is perfectly for you. So what's this business all about? The name of this business is called Food Earning Track, and it has been in existence for over 3 years now. This business was created to improve economic standard and promote financial freedom and end poverty. To solve this, they designed a simple and very affordable business structure that is both realistic and sustainable. With this platform, you can get food items, cars, materials, or the cash equivalent of your earnings. Here is how this business works. You only need 1,000 naira to get started. And that 1,000 naira is used to get your registration pin. Now with the registration pin, you'll be able to register and join this business. Now there are different stages and earnings in this business. The first earning stage is the feeder stage. Immediately you are registered, you automatically at the feeders level, and it is necessary to invite 3 people under you before you can be qualified to move to stage 1. And at this stage, you earn 1,000 naira and move to stage 1. That's why I said earlier, if you can't find 3 people among your friends or relatives who can easily afford 1,000 naira, then this is not for you, because you need those 3 people to grow. Now in the stage 1, when your 3 people duplicate themselves, they do the same thing that you have done. You have 12 people under you. This is both in your first and your second generation. As soon as they all move to stage 1, you will qualify to earn 6,500 or request for food item worth that value. Please pay close attention to this. Don't forget that in your feeders level, you were able to bring 3 people. Now these 3 people also they bring in their own 3 each. Now when they bring in their own 3 each, they will qualify to be in the same level as you, the same stage 1. And that is when you'll be able to earn the stage 1 earning, which is 6,500. But before I continue, let me make something very clear. We are not into this business just because it is cheap to start with or because of the promise of massive returns. No. The reason we chose this business is because we are able to decode the earning structures and understand exactly where the company earns from. After studying this carefully, we discovered it is a very realistic business, and that is why this system has been running continuously for years. Because with the structure they have put in place, they have the capacity to sustain it, which is very important in business. This is not a business you join with panic or worry, thinking you will lose money. The truth is, 1,000 naira is an amount that almost everyone can afford. In fact, most of us spend more than 1,000 naira daily. So there is no need for panic. It is simple, affordable, and realistic. Okay. Remember, what moved you from the feeder stage to stage 1 was the completion of your 3 people, right? The same process is what makes all your 12 people move to stage 1 too. Immediately all these 12 people move to stage 1, you earn your stage 1 bonus of 6,500 and you automatically move to stage 2. Now in the stage 2, once the same 12 people duplicate and also move to stage 2, what I mean is the same 12 people, when they duplicate, they're also in the same stage 2 as you are, you earn 40,000 naira or food equivalent, and you automatically move to stage 3. Now in stage 3, when these 12 people also move to stage 3 where you are, they are in the same stage 3 as you are, you earn 150,000 naira, which is automatically paid to your account within 24 hours. And from there, you move to stage 4. As soon as your team also move to stage 4 where you are, your earning increases to a massive amount of your earnings increases your earning increased to a massive of 9.5 million naira. Imagine a business that you started with just 1,000 naira and you are able to earn over 9 million naira. Now let me ask you a question. Do you think this is really worth doing? If your answer is yes, then let's move to stage 5. Now at this stage, you can earn 55 million naira. This stage is called the infinity stage, which means anytime people under you qualify for stage 5, you will keep earning an extra 4 million each time. Yes, it is true. Some people may think these earnings are not realistic, but once you understand the simple structure this business has put in place, you will see it is very, very realistic. The company is not paying from its own pockets. Instead, the system grows through duplication, and that is what produces this result. Now you may be asking, if I start now and invite my 3 people, how long will it take to stage 3? Well, we already have video explanation showing that in just 3 to 4 months, without doing more than simply referring your 3 people, you can be in stage 3 or even stage 4. And the truth is this, many members have already achieved this. You can see people are already earning from stage 2, stage 3, and even stage 4. Like I said before, your earnings is automatically moved to your account within 24 hours. So if you have decided to get started, here is what you have to do. You have to request for your registration PIN with a sum of 1,000 naira. You can get your PIN directly from the admin, though sometimes it may take a few minutes because generating PIN can take time. Or you can reach out to the person who shared this video with you. Many leaders normally buy pins in bulk, so they may already have one available for you. Once you send your money, they'll provide your PIN and immediately you can register. After receiving your PIN, they will also provide you with their referral link, which you will use to register your account and get started. So don't waste time. Reach out to the person who shared this video with you, request for your PIN, register, and start your journey of earnings today. I'll see you at the top.